this is too much grass. The grass is not going anywhere. So then, I rewatched the video, some more videos, and I discovered that this supposedly was going to work much better. This is what's called a register box. It goes under your floor, between your floor in your house and the AC vent or the heating vent. They set on top of this. This is turned sideways so it can accommodate the mower deck. It was called a register box. And on the end of the register box is what's called a decreaser, I believe. So I ended up putting that on there and also cutting it where I can make the end of it more wider because it had like a smaller opening at one end. So I ended up cutting that. And this time we got everything sealed down. I mean, it was like a 10 by 6 opening. I couldn't find it at Home Depot or Lowe's. We went to one of the employees at Lowe's and asked him about this box, and he said that's something you have to order. So time was running out, so I got online and found a company, HVAC company, in my area, and I asked them about this register box. They did not have one that had a 90 degree on it. So I asked them, could you refer me to a place, which they did. And I went there and they had this box there. I mean, I had the holes drilled inside of the deck and this screwed right on nice and tight. And we did a test run before we connected the tubing to it. Make sure the grass was shooting out, and this is what happened here. And once we found out the grass was going to shoot out, we reconnected the hose and everything worked out fine. And when my cousin finished cutting the grass, we had grass in the grass catcher, and that's the end of the story. Everything worked fine. I thank the YouTubers that went before me and already had tried this out, and it worked for them. Now I have a design that works on this more. And thanks for watching Diversity 2. DIY, how to make a riding mower, grass catcher, or leaf picking up leaves, or some lawnmower vacuum. And that's the end result.